अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम योर टीचर इदा फातिमा। आज हम पढ़ेंगे जेम पब्लिशर की इंग्लिश नर्सरी।
Today we will listen a very nice story, The Turtle and the Hare. Dear students, look at the page number 46. Dear student, look at the page number 46, Turtle and Hare. Look at children. This is a fast hare and this is a slow turtle. The hare says, I am very fast. The turtle says, I am be slow but I will try. Then picture number 2 में देखिए 46 पे race start. They decide to have a race. All friends says ready, steady, go. The hare runs very fast. The turtle walks slowly. Dear students, picture number 3 पर देखिए the hare run far ahead and says, Oh, I am so fast. He laughed at the turtle. Now, picture number 4 में देखिए feels tired. He says, Let me sleep for a while. And he sleeps under a tree. The turtle keeps walking slowly. Students, picture number 5 में देखिए turtle does not stop. He reaches the finish line. The hare wakes up and runs fast. But oh no, the turtle wins the race. So students, ये थी हमारी आज की स्टोरी। अब मिलते हैं हम अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में एक नए लेक्चर के साथ। गुड बाय।